Hi guys and welcome back to my channel Padhenge to Badhenge. As I promised earlier, we'll continue with day 3 with existing problems and questions and answers step by step. Okay, so this is day 3 continued. We'll directly go to the question instead of talking much. A train travels 240 km in 4 hours at constant speed. Speed is constant. At 40 km, there is a question also where the speed is indifferent. Okay, for 240 km at 4 hours. How far it will travel at 9 hours? I have solved for you guys. Step 1. 4 hours in 4 hours it travels 240 km. How much it will travel in 9 hours? Travel means distance is equal to x kilometer we have taken. Step 2. X is equal to cross multiplied. I have told you earlier also how to do the cross multiplication. X is equal to 9 into 240. Okay, 4 hours. Like this cross multiplication, kilometer goes up and hour comes here and hour gets multiplied, cancel, kilometer gets into the answer. Okay, x is equal to 9 into 240 by 6. 4 6 is 24, so 60 9 6 is 54, 550. So train, how far it will travel at 9 hours? It will travel at 540 kilometer at 9 hours. Okay, the next question is, if 9 chocolate cost 117 rupees, what is the cost of 15 chocolates? Okay, we will directly solve now. Okay, so what is that? X is equal to step 1. Okay, 9 chocolates, 115, 117 into 117 into 15 in by 9. Okay, directly we are solving the question. Okay, so x is equal to 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 3 3 is 9, 3 9 is 27. So 3 5 is 15. So 39 into 5. 5 9 is 45. 5 3 is 15. 15 plus 4 9. So x is equal to 195. So my ideology is that if you start solving and if you keep on practicing, see, I have done it 1 2 3 steps. Earlier I was showing step 1, step 2, divide, cross multiply. In front of you guys, I have solved you guys. So this is the practice makes a man perfect. The quote is there. Practice makes a man perfect. If you keep on practicing, you will be solving this one. Okay, I'll solve one more question. Our next question is, a machine produces 240 bottles in 6 hours. How many bottles it will produce in 9 hours? Step 1, same thing. Okay, I'm not applying anything different. 6 hours, 240 bottles. 15 hours, how many it will produce? Okay, 15 hours, how many? By mistakenly I have written 9, it should be 15. 9 I previously copied from the previous question. Step 1, 6 hours, 240 bottles. 15 hours, how many bottles? So step 2 is x is equal to 15 into 240 by 6. Okay, this is the idea of cross multiplication. 6 4 is 24. 15 into 5 4 is 20. 0 5 4 1 4 6. So 600 bottles. So these all multiplication ideas. What is that? If you keep on practicing, it will make perfect. I'm sorry for that. What I've written 9 hours, it is 15 hours. You can just retype the question and you can bring some more question answer. So this is day 3. One more question I'll bring out. Our next question is, if 24 apple cost 840, what is the cost of 35 apples? Okay, 24 apples, 840. What is the cost of 35 apples? This is equal to 840 into 35 by 24. 6 4 is 24. 6 1 is 6. 6 4 is 24. 4 1 is 4 1 is 4. 4 10 is 40. X is equal to 350. What is the cost of 35 apple? 350 is the answer. See, I'm not taking much time and this is hardly takes 2 seconds. So my ideology is what? Practice and practice. If you want to grow in maths and all, it is simple answer is practice. I'll come in the next section with some more question and answer in day 3. Day 4. Day 3 is over for guys. Day 4 will continue. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.